Hey, what's up, everybody? Okay, I am here. I was gonna put the thumbnail for my Tails Doll Curse video, but then, out of nowhere, the video ends right after I say this line right here. Oh yeah, comment down below if you see anything. Because if someone points out a glowing red dot somewhere, and then you hear that sound, after I say that, the stream just ends. I did not end the stream. The stream, apparently, to the person who was watching, said it lagged out. Please, for anyone who knows, what in the actual fuck is this sound? What the fuck is that sound? Please tell me my house is not haunted. Have a good day.